A unique approach to managing one of the largest issues in our community, affordable housing. This comes as demand continues to outpace supply in Eugene.
SquareOne Villages says it is challenging the traditional model of subsidized housing by creating permanently affordable resident-owned communities designed for people living on fixed or very low incomes.
KVAL's Tiffany visited one of those villages to get a closer look.
Jose Ambrosio never imagined raising his daughter alone. After his wife died 2 years ago, the single father on a fixed income says he struggled to make ends meet. Ambrosio is one of 70 residents living at Peace Village, an affordable housing co-op built by the nonprofit SquareOne Villages.
It's been really great. You know, we have a routine going on now, and so she understands that like this is home, and you know this is a place where she gets to grow up and she doesn't have to worry. I can stay here for as long as I need to, you know, and I'm really grateful for that.
Tucked behind Peace Presbyterian Church in southwest Eugene, Peace Village is redefining what low-income housing can look like and who it can be for. Residents pay a modest membership fee, contribute service hours to the community, and collectively own their units through a limited equity housing cooperative. They're not renters, but members, owners, and neighbors.
We are a town. We're our own little town. It's invaluable to have a say-so, basically, of how things go on in our community. I mean, we all have a voice, and our voice is listened to and respected by everybody else.
SquareOne founder Dan Bryant, who spent decades as a pastor at First Christian Church, says the idea was born out of thousands of encounters with homeless people in downtown Eugene. Now, a decade later, he says that upstream solution is Peace Village and 5 other similar developments. With Eugene's vacancy rate continuing to fall, currently around 4%, Bryant says the city desperately needs more affordable housing.
We're only building a tenth of what we need in order to meet the demand. That is the number one issue. We have to build more housing. It's a supply issue, basic supply and demand. And you know, it's fine to work on issues of mental health, addiction treatment, and you know, a lot of other issues like that, but they do not move the needle.
He emphasizes the need for more public investment, creative financing, and zoning reform. SquareOne targets households earning 30 to 40% of area median income, typically those living on Social Security, disability, or low-wage jobs.
So the challenge to really meet the crisis is how to get the housing down to that more 30 to 40% of AMI that's affordable for people at fixed incomes. And so the way that we've done that is, again, with charitable giving, building a little bit smaller, using a local contractor that we can work with who's been very good to us.
As cities across the country struggle to define and deliver truly affordable housing, Bryant says SquareOne offers a working model of resident-led affordable communities grounded in dignity. In Eugene, I'm Tiffany Lewis reporting.
Now, Peace Village was funded through a combination of local donations, philanthropy, and state funding. A similar project is underway in Springfield, and the organization recently opened a micro-shelter community for HIV Alliance clients on city-owned land.